Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for IndoRecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is super simple stir fry of sweet and sour chicken. We serve it with warm rice. Check out the full video and I'll see you again. See ya! Slice your chicken breast into strips, about 2 chicken breasts. Also slice 1 small to medium size of onion and set this to side for now. This is 4 tablespoons, about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Super generous pinch of white pepper powder, so 1/4 teaspoon say or more. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is chicken bouillon powder. Right now I put 1 teaspoon, but you will want to adjust the flavoring once while cooking later on. Also about 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and you want to add also sugar and maybe a little bit of salt, a little bit of more chicken bouillon powder. But for now it is ketchup, oyster sauce, white pepper powder, bouillon powder, and also lime juice. You just want to mix it properly until completely combined. Again, during cooking you want to add or adjust sugar, bouillon powder, and the white pepper powder if you like. Now we're gonna top it with our onion that we sliced earlier. This is 1 small to 1 medium onion, so small to medium onion, and also the baby carrot that we sliced earlier. Now just dump everything onto non-stick pan and we start stir frying. Now if you want, you can add a can of peach and sweet corn kernel, peach and cream. Also slice of 1 green onion, 1 or 2 green onion, and again adjust sugar and whatnot. And it's ready to be served with warm rice.